Are you thinking about finally building your dream home? Choosing a builder is one of the most important things to get right. The experts at Greg D'Angelo Construction have been crafting custom luxury homes in the Hamptons for over 35 years and are excited to help you make your dreams a reality.
I've been in business for over 35 years, building new homes and renovating historic homes. We specialize in building our luxury homes for clients. I learned carpentry while I was going to college. I was working part-time as a carpenter apprentice, and when I graduated from college, I went to work for builders out here as a carpenter, and then over time, doing my own projects, and they just kind of grew and grew and grew, and graduated from being a subcontractor to being a general contractor and a builder. And my background with my college education mixed with my passion and love for carpentry helped to grow the business to where it is today.
Custom high-end homes come with their own set of unique challenges.
Some of the challenges to build high-end homes on the water start with the permitting process, which could take years. We have a lot of experience in being able to work with permit expediters so we can get these things approved. Then on top of that, the exposure for those buildings being near salt water, wind-driven rain, you have to be very conscious of water infiltration. The constructability of a modern home is much more involved than a traditional home, which is typically a wood frame construction, where a modern home is more of a steel frame construction. Client expectations are very important to us. It's helped us to become successful over the years. It's absolutely necessary for us to work with an architect because the architect is taking the dreams and the vision of the client to transpose into a drawing. We can take that drawing and actually manifest the vision.
Greg and his team know how to listen to what it is you want in the house and then come back to you with solutions that make it work. What I appreciated most from everyone on the team was their honesty, which is, we'll know when we open the walls. And when they opened the walls, they found trees inside the walls. They found rooms where fire had implicated the structure. So we had to do a lot of work that we didn't know that we had to do.
This particular home that we're sitting in was a restoration of a historical home here in Sag Harbor. The room that we're sitting in, originally this was 4 different rooms, and now, as you can see, it's an open space. It was transformed, however, all of the moldings, the details, the doors, the way the building was originally, we replicated. Every week we had a meeting with the architect and walked through to monitor the progress so that we made sure at the end of the day, any of the details, not only were they matching, but they matched the vision of the architect and the owner.
Each project carries a personal touch and is tailored to individual needs.
It was very important to me that every room have a sense of history and drama through the lighting. So you will see in this house a lot of chandeliers. We've lived in this house for 12 years, and we are still not tired when we come and open the front door. There were some elements that I wanted underlined. One of those features are the 2 original fireplaces that are in the front and back parlor, and we cherish them.
The relationship between us and our clients through the years is very important. We're building relationships, and we've been doing that for years. The difference between a spec build and a custom build. A spec builder is building specifically for what he wants, and when he's done, he wants to sell it. A custom build, we're building for the owner and their vision and their details, and we're focused on what the customer wants. Some of the unique features that we have done in the past are things like a bowling alley, golf simulator, a green roof. We build custom. If you can dream it, we will make it happen.
Communication is key, especially when building custom homes.
The most important part is the communication, and we have a very close relationship with every client. We at Greg D'Angelo Construction do what we love. We build to bring our clients' dreams to life.
For more information about Greg D'Angelo Construction, visit gdcbuild.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.